Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw the famous cartoon character. Do you all know about this? Yes, this is Pikachu. So I'm going to draw its face and its hands like this. Now let's draw the lower body and the legs and its tail. Now it is time to color this Pikachu using black and yellow color. Wow! Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I am going to draw a princess which is wearing a beautiful gown. So I'm going to draw its hands and its beautiful dress like this. Now let's make its crown and hair like this. Now I'm going to draw the eyes, nose, and now let's color its hair and beautiful pink dress. Now let's proceed with another drawing. So here I'm going to draw a ladybird like this. Now let's make the spots on the body like this. Now I'll have to color these spots, and using the red color, let's color the wings. And this is done.